Hello, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the Bobine Flex fused chicken cable with steel. This is great for people who use their phones in cars, so if you're a rideshare driver or really anybody that drives a long time and you have your iPhone in your car for use with music or maps or anything else that you need power for. Here is the Bobine Flex, and this thing is seriously tough. And it has a couple of features. So what they want you to do is to be able to flex and turn this cable, and it has the lightning tip there at the end. And I put an iPhone 6s Plus in here, and it actually sits nicely. It doesn't flop around. As you can see, you just move it, flex it, turn it, curve it, and it will sit just how you move it. They suggest that you coil the bottom, like right here on the box. So you see that. So coil the bottom and then it'll support the weight. They also include some pieces that have 3M stick on the bottom. So you fit the Bobine Flex cable into that and it will stick to your side dash or whatever you need. If you have a phone like a 6s Plus that is a little bit weightier, that needs a little bit more help with holding it in place. But this back piece and these two prongs and a phone case. This works with a phone case, so don't have to worry about taking the phone case off and then plugging it into your charger. But this thing is seriously tough, and you can curve it like that, or curve it like this. Seriously, one of the best, toughest cables that I've seen with a lightning tip. This is the Bobine Flex from Fused Chicken. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.